So lahat ng mga followers baka kasama ko rito yung nasa since class 2 sa Valiant Training Centers guys. Yan guys. So mga security dyan, mga pride dyan. So alahanin nyo guys security. Saan kayo nga-train, dapat bigyan nyo ng kahulugan at memory po sa ating mga puso. Yan guys. Valiant Training Center guys since 2021 after pandemic po yan guys. So nagtraining ko dito is 5 days lang guys dahil bawal po yung face to face. So yan guys. I hope yung mga kabady ko natin so safety siya sa work. So apply to ano 10 commandments, 11 GU and Susya and Padpaw. Yes. Thank you. Hello guys, good evening and good morning sa lahat. So bago akong dumating, tapos lang kumain and then ito guys. Yan, naka-sticker po yung Team Christine. Yan na guys, yung basic security handbook. So handuman ako sa memories of guys. Members na ulit since 2021 after pandemic. Yan guys. Reading first po tayo guys. So siya. So siya guys. Then Padpaw. Nakalagay ito lahat guys. Yan guys. Nakalaw to guys. And then commandments, 11 GO. And then lahat ng mga regulations, concept guys. Yan guys. So thank you for watching guys. Thank you.